Alright, what's up guys? Today ni Arrowroots, sindio?
Yeah.
Arrowroots. We're going to plant arrowroots because the rain have come. We'll be showing you the farm where we'll be growing the arrowroots. Now we are just doing the loading from the farm there, the swamp there to the car here. So we'll be loading this. Okay, rada. Alright guys, so we are here offloading the torotoros or the arrowroots.
Yeah, so we were on the other side. The other side meaning we were taking these arrowroots from another place. So we are now in the farm where we are going to plant it. Maybe I can just show you an overview of the farm where we are going to plant. It's actually swampy. So we call it Nyanja ama Kewa. So that's it. So we are offloading right now. And we're actually using our LHD. Actually, thank you so much. The machine. Thank you for making us reach the farm. Yeah, so that's it. So let's wait and see where we're going to plant it. Yeah, and we're just going to show you what's going to. So my baby is just going to move the vehicle in front so that we can be able now to get more space where we are going to offload. Okay guys.
Hi guys, welcome to Chepar Farm. So today we are planting arrowroots. These are different, I think, variety.
They're different.
I think this is the Russian one. The other one that I had was the, what do we call? I think the indigenous one, which we call kienyeji. So we had that, and we already planted that here. Yeah. So we planted that somewhere.
The other side, the corner.
That is the corner. It's at the lower side here. From this tree, from this tree here going backwards there. So we planted almost 1 acre, almost half an acre. So we're going to add these 1,300 suckers to the farm today, and they are around 1,300 pieces.
As you can see, these are the
as you can see behind me here. My guy called Kisa. Kisa, say hi. Yes. And here and this is an example of one of the seedlings that we have. Okay. So we've not managed to pick the big tubers. We just picked basically small and big, all of them, in that ratio 50-50. So what we are going to do now, we are going to show you how you are supposed to plant them, because you don't need to. You are not supposed to plant them with seeds and all that, okay? With the leaves and all that. So let me show you that. So here with this, what we are doing is we are removing this part here.
Do you say the extra root or?
Remove that part until you leave a few roots protruding here. Okay, this is what will help in germination. But you can still go further, but that is fine. I'm fine with that. Then here you look at the last growing leaf or stem or branch here. Then remove that. So you remain with something like this. So this is now the best for planting in your holes, which you've already dug. So that is it in terms of removing that. So we'll be removing all this here. As you can see, we are removing all this. All these here, we are removing them. The leaves and the ones that we already removed here. So that is what we'll be doing now, as my other guys are preparing the land, the holes. Okay, right, that's it.